Had a way to make it work and find another route.
Well, hello, welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing? Okay, stop that. But anyway, it's a little late, a little bit, but I wanted to just get out a video. So I need to do some things in this bathroom, and if you guys want to see those things, then keep watching because we're about to do it. All right. So good, y'all. I'm actually getting rid of this bottle, but I need to keep this because if you guys remember, I have an extra. Remember, I kept saying I need another green bottle. Hold on. I have an extra one. We're not doing the plastic, so if I can find me a ribbed one like this, if I can find me another one like this, I'll get it. So that's what we're doing. All right, y'all, we're back in the closet. This is part two, okay? I'm trying to be great, but the devil is a lie. Y'all know I need a tripod. So if y'all see this thing sliding a little bit, I'm gonna try to catch it and then we will proceed, okay? So anyway, last time we did like the other side of the closet, which was my clothes, as far as like my jeans, shorts, jackets, sweaters, blah blah, etc. And I think we did my shoes, but we didn't tackle this side over here. So this side is more of dresses for you ladies. And even if you do color, you could do the same thing for a capsule wardrobe. So what I mean by that, you're going to still put things in order like I did here. You're going to put your long dresses in the same category, no matter what the color is. So if you guys see, I have white, I have tan, I have gray, I have black. And the black is like the maxi dresses, spaghetti strap dresses, as well as like a bodycon dress, and you have your sweater dresses right here. So that is what that looks like, and I'm going to bring you guys over here. So like I said, it is the same concept. You see the colors, everything blend together. No matter if it touches the floor or not, you're going to put all the dresses together in the same spot, and you're going to categorize them in the color, as well as the season, as well as the shapes of the dresses. So you'll do the same thing far as capsule wardrobe with your dresses and stuff. So these are the dresses that I have right here. These are all my dresses. Like I said, I have, the maxi dresses, your bodycon dresses, all kinds. I have the sweater dress back here. Hopefully you guys can see that. So now we're gonna go on to y'all. I ate a good dinner. I'm so full. Y'all can see the dresses now, right? Y'all can see the dresses. Okay. I just wanted to make sure you can see them. But anyway, I ate a really good dinner. I made some I'll just put a picture of it what I made, but it was so good. It was so good and so healthy, and I'm so full. So let me get on to the other part. Like I said, we did the capsule 101 as far as like the clothes and the actual what did we do? We did the clothes, as far as like I said, the jeans, the pants, sweaters, all that. And then I wanted to put this part in this video, which was the sweaters and the other things that I wear. So now we're going to go on to where I put like what I have on today. OOTD. I have on these sweatpants that's like bell bottoms, this black top with another tank in the inside with my little pieces of jewelry. Just trying to go hide in my shirt. And then I have on my little earrings. So I'm going to take you guys inside my drawer where I house my sweats and stuff, and then we'll kick off the video from there. Okay? I meant to say we're going to end off the video from there because that's going to give y'all a vlog. And I think if I can, I might throw in me potting my other plant this evening. So hold the line. All right, guys, I'm going to try to show y'all without showing like too much of my space, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm working with. So I'm going to have to get down on my knees. Get down on your knees, girl. Get down. say a little prayer while you're down there, okay? But in this drawer here, and this is my top sweat drawer. I have all my sweats. You're gonna do the same exact thing with your sweat clothes. Y'all see I have them in order from the colors to what have you. So these are like some gray sweats I wear. This is a sweat top. This is a sweat top, and this is this is that Zara jacket. And then over here I have my beiges. So these are sweatpants, top, sweatpants. These sweatpants can go with either one of these. So that's how I kind of switch things out. Now I'm going to go into the other drawer as well. So this is my other drawer. So you'll do your capsule the same way. You're going to do your sweats in order, which is a sweatpants, sweatpants. And then over here I have tanks, beige. No, these are t-shirts. So this is beige, white, this is black. And then over here I have like all my little uh crop tops for like the summertime. So with that, I do the same thing. You just put them in order, okay? Small, medium, large. I mean, not small, medium, large, but crop, under the arm, neck, mock neck, or whatever. And then you just do the same. This is a tank. This is a tank. But here is the t-shirts. Here's all my sweats. So like I said, these are these are all my sweats. Everything is in order and it's easy for me to grab. That is how when I wear my sweat clothes, it make it look stylish without doing any with like low effort. It just looks really, really stylish with low effort because that's just how I do it. So hold on, let me show y'all again. Here we go. All right, y'all. So that is going to do it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. This video was not long, but we got a lot of things done. We cleaned. I finished off the capsule wardrobe. If you guys want me to do more videos like that, I'm still going to continue to do those. I'm going to do the singles and the singles videos and whatnot. And yeah. Oh, hold on. One more time. All right. I had to go turn off something. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to keep watching because I think I'm going to throw in me planting this uh, flower I got, even though it's wintertime, I think it's okay. And then also, I didn't get enough responses back from the next time I should do a giveaway. So would you guys drop down in this one or go to my community tab and let me know? Okay. So guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Always remember to do what? Love yourself, girl. Love yourself, man. Okay. Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye, guys. So guys, I opted out for a couple days later because today is a sunny day. It's not as gloomy. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty, y'all. So pretty. So hopefully she'll do good. Like I said, I wanted to put her in like one pot together. This plant actually been in my family for years, y'all. My mom had this plant since I was a little girl. And she always give me cutouts, and then I give them to my daughter, or I give them to other people, or I give it to my sister. Now that my sister's gone, I said I'm just gonna get one, keep one. So I got it, and I like it, and it looks good. But y'all, I was looking out the window because one of my neighbors, they are very, very nosy. They will look in my blinds like to see. They'll just stand at the end of the driveway and just look in, and I'm like, what are you looking at? That is so creepish, so creepy. So we're gonna put her right here, and then I'm going to add the water that she was in to that. I might have to put something at the bottom. I left the stopper in there, so, hopefully she'll be fine, but she's so pretty. But y'all, I'm about to go. Outfit of the day. I'm going to throw on my tennis shoes, and I'll see y'all guys in another vlog. Always remember to do what? Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Yeah, guys, hang on in there. Everything gets better in time. Don't give up. Don't pass out. Just get through life. Just get through the test. Live as simple as you can. Free your mind. Live in peace. Do not live in fear. And everything gonna be all right. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.